Do you often feel a burning sensation in your chest after eating, or experience bloating, gas, sore burps, or discomfort that ruins your day? What if I told you there is a simple home remedy with only three ingredients from your kitchen that can calm acidity and heartburn in just minutes? Stay with me because this remedy works faster than most antacids. Welcome back to Health and Peace Hub, your space for natural health, diet tips, and peaceful living. Heartburn, acidity, and gas have become extremely common today thanks to spicy food, stress, late night eating, and irregular routines. But if you are experiencing these symptoms twice or more per week, it may be a sign of GERD, acid reflux, or chronic acidity. Today, I am sharing one of the most effective heartburn natural remedies that not only calms immediate discomfort but also improves digestion over time. And the best part, this remedy needs only three simple ingredients, but when combined, they become a powerful natural solution for acidity, gas, and indigestion. The first one is cumin seeds, which is jeera. Cumin is one of the best natural remedies for heartburn because it neutralizes excess stomach acid, reduces gas formation, improves digestion, eases stomach pain, boosts digestive enzymes production. This make it highly effective for acidity, bloating, and indigestion. And the second one is black salt, which is kala namak. Black salt is alkaline and soothing for stomach. It helps reduce gas instantly, prevent bloating, improve digestion, relax stomach muscles. It is widely used in Ayurveda for acidity relief and gut balance. And the last one is lemon. It may sound surprising, but lemon is one of the most trusted natural remedies for heartburn. Why? Because it balances stomach acid, reduces sore burps, neutralizes acidity, and it helps food digest faster. Together, these three ingredients create a powerful, fast acting home remedy. So, how do you prepare it correctly to get maximum relief? Let me show you step by step method. The step number one, you have to boil 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in 1 glass of water for 2 minutes. After that, strain it into a glass and then let it become lukewarm, not too hot. And once it becomes lukewarm, add 1 teaspoon lemon, a pinch of black salt, and then mix well. And your remedy is ready. For instant relief from acidity or heartburn, drink 1 glass whenever symptoms start. You will feel relief within 15 minutes. For chronic acidity or GERD, drink it twice a day, 15 minutes after your lunch and 15 minutes after your dinner. Continue this for 7 to 10 days for best results. This simple remedy uses cumin, black salt, and lemon juice, three natural ingredients that calm acidity, ease gas, improve digestion, and stop heartburn naturally. Thank you for watching Health and Peace Hub. If this heartburn natural remedy helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who struggles with acidity, and subscribe for more home remedies and peaceful health tips. Take care, stay calm, and stay healthy. I will see you in next video.